In this quick guide, we'll walk you through managing your interpretive plan categories. From the navigation bar on the left, click Settings and then select Interpretive Plan Categories. To create a new category, click the Add button located on the right-hand side. In the Add Category dialog, you'll have a variety of icons to choose from. Select one that best represents your new category. Next, enter a name for your category and provide a description. Once you're set, click Save Changes to add your category. Need to make adjustments? Click the pencil icon to edit your category or the garbage icon to delete it. Now, head over to Interpretive Planning on the left-hand nav. Here, you can assign plans to the category you just created. And just like that, you're all set. Your interpretive plan is now neatly categorized and ready for action in Curia.